want you to follow me and stand up to sing this Bible song. Nsobu Eyimba. Nsobu Eyimba. Nsobu 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 Nsobu Eyimba. Ibo you to mama na. Ibo you to galano. Ibo you to wazulu. All of you should see that. Today is first of new month. Today is a month of joy. It's a month of celebration. After our meeting at Ebonyi State, day before yesterday, we all, Igbo youth, we decide to call this field executive meeting to let the federal government to know that our brother Nnamdi Kanu, they should release it for us. We want to tell them he did not do anything more than the Yoruba man. Igbo, and after everything they release him. Igbo is talking about freedom. They release him. The Fulani leader or what? They release him. And others. Why must the Igbo be different? Are we a second-hand class of this country? No. Are we not part of this country? We want the federal government to hear directly from the youth of Igbo land that the youth from Igbo land will not happy. That our brother is still there until now. And our politicians, the governors, some of the senators, some of the rep members are part of one. Our brother is still there. And when they went to Abuja, they will go and tell Mr. President they are in charge. When they are not in charge, the youth are in charge. We want to use this opportunity to tell Mr. President that what happened last election, why Igbos did not vote the ruling party, is because they are holding our brother. And we are going to tell them, if they don't release our brother from now to 2 months time, the Igbos youth are going to take a stand. We are going to mobilize more than 1 million youth to take a stand, to negotiate with anybody, any group, any tribe that will take over and will release Nnamdi Kanu for us. We all know that the politicians are using Nnamdi Kanu to do politics. We are warning, enough is enough. Somebody like Nnamdi Kanu will go to court, we will not see any senator, any rep member, any governor, apart from one man, what they are going to see there. If all of them call themselves that they are representing us, they forgot it's our vote. That is why they are in Abuja. That is why they are governor. I think they need to listen to us because we are the people that have the vote. We are the people that are going to put them there or remove them there. We are warning all of them. If you can't start with Nnamdi Kanu, don't use Nnamdi Kanu name to do 2027 election. Or you will face, you will hear from Igbo youth. We are pleading to Mr. President. Listen to the youth. Listen to the Igbo youth. Our former leaders, let Iwanyawu and others have pleaded to the federal government. They refuse to release this man. Now the youth, we are pleading and telling Mr. President to use his wisdom to release this young man to the youth. If you do this thing, you don't need to buy any vote from Southeast. You don't need to give us rights to vote for you. You don't need to give us money to vote for you. This is only what we need. If you do it for us, you will hear from us in next election. But if you fail us, you will hear from us in next election. Thank you. Are deceiving you. We will say it again. The rep members are deceiving you. We will say it again. The ministers are deceiving you. Come and work with the youth, and you get what you want. If you fail, what happened in last election will repeat again. Thank you, and God bless you.